What's up? Welcome to Foxy Quiz. Smash or pass? TV show male characters. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. Drop a like and leave your choices under this video. Walter White in the hazmat suit. Smash or pass? Jesse Pinkman cooking in the RV. Smash or pass? Tony Soprano at the Bada Bing. Smash or pass? Sherlock Holmes with the violin. Smash or pass? Dr. House with his cane and sarcasm. Smash or pass? Dexter Morgan with blood on his gloves. Smash or pass? Jon Snow in full Night's watch gear. Smash or pass? Tyrion Lannister with a goblet of wine. Smash or pass? Rick Grimes with his sheriff hat. Smash or pass? Daryl Dixon with his crossbow. Smash or pass? Michael Scofield showing off his tattoo. Smash or pass? Lincoln Burrows fresh out of prison. Smash or pass? Dean Winchester driving the Impala. Smash or pass? Sam Winchester with his demon hunting gear. Smash or pass? Barney Stinson in a sharp suit. Smash or pass? Ted Mosby with a bunch of red balloons. Smash or pass? Chandler Bing cracking jokes. Smash or pass? Joey Tribbiani saying, "How you doing?" Smash or pass? Ross Geller with his dinosaur facts. Smash or pass? Sheldon Cooper in his Flash t-shirt. Smash or pass? Leonard Hofstadter with a whiteboard. Smash or pass? Jim Halpert making eye contact with the camera. Smash or pass? Dwight Schrute in full beat farmer mode. Smash or pass? Eric Northman as a vampire bartender. Smash or pass? Bill Compton in his Civil War attire. Smash or pass? Lucifer Morningstar playing the piano. Smash or pass? Thomas Shelby with a cigarette and razor cap. Smash or pass? Arthur Shelby with blood on his hands. Smash or pass? Michael Bluth trying to hold the family together. Smash or pass? George Michael Bluth being awkward. Smash or pass? Barry Allen in the Flash suit. Smash or pass? Oliver Queen, shirtless training. Smash or pass? Clark Kent adjusting his glasses. Smash or pass? Bruce Wayne brooding in the Batcave. Smash or pass? Matt Murdock with his red glasses. Smash or pass? Frank Castle locked and loaded. Smash or pass? Raymond Reddington telling a story. Smash or pass? Philip Jennings in disguise. Smash or pass? Stan Beeman interrogating a suspect. Smash or pass? Don Draper in a 1960s suit. Smash or pass? Saul Goodman with a flashy tie. Smash or pass? Mike Ehrmantraut scoping out the scene. Smash or pass? Tommy Gavin in his firefighter uniform. Smash or pass? Jack Bauer yelling, "Damn it!" Smash or pass? Fox Mulder talking about aliens. Smash or pass? John Locke with his mysterious stare. Smash or pass? Jack Shepherd giving an inspirational speech. Smash or pass? Omar Little whistling down the street. Smash or pass? Stringer Bell in his business mode. Smash or pass? BoJack Horseman being emotionally unavailable. Smash or pass? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and write your choices under this video. Choose your next video.